What's up everyone, my name is Alex Kouras, and in today's video I'm back at FIU and I'm going to be going around giving college students a free haircut in exchange for a really good conversation. So if that sounds interesting to you guys, let's jump right into this video. I'm making a YouTube video. I go around giving people free haircuts. You want one?
Really?
Yeah.
For what?
For real?
You my YouTube channel.
Okay, that's really nice.
That's awesome.
Yeah. You want a free haircut?
I don't really want.
You got 20 minutes?
Yeah, I mean,
It's completely spontaneous.
yeah,
Okay.
you just go up to.
I just
like,
go up to
okay,
like
you go
just
up to
just like
people.
just like you came up to me, I come up to you and
Okay,
ask you.
okay.
So I'm waiting for somebody that looks like they don't have a haircut, and I say, okay, hey.
Do I look like I mean,
Exactly. I could give you a haircut. That's why I asked. I was like, you look like you might
So,
need a haircut, so
now
maybe
you
I can
know
give you
your
one.
shit. He says you need a haircut.
You wanna? I'm gonna do it, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, you want to do it?
Yeah.
All right.
What will you do?
Are you guys dating or you
No,
friends?
we're friends. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. We're basically, bro, every day trying to go around and
Yeah.
just interact with people.
To go to people. Hi, how are you? Like
Specifically to
introduce
talk to people.
Yeah.
Yes.
Really? But why? Just to network yourselves?
Yeah,
Yes,
and
to
we're
network
we're
and-
kind of new over here in Miami, so we're just trying to make friends.
You just moved here?
Yes.
I just moved here in January.
In January.
I've been since August.
August. Wow. So you just moved here.
I'm gonna arrive fresh to my class,
It's Friday, right?
right?
You got a hot date? Or you got a hot date lined up this weekend?
I don't have anything planned, but you know, maybe with the haircut, I guess you're gonna change my life. You know?
All right, let's do this, man. What's your name and where are you from?
My name is Sebastian. I'm from Puerto Rico.
Sebastian.
I was born in Miami, but I was completely raised in Puerto Rico.
Really?
Yeah. And my family is from Puerto Rico, and my dad is from Cuba, so I'm like half and half.
Half Puerto Rican, half Cuban?
Yeah.
Nice,
That's
man.
the Miami way.
What brought you to Miami? Or what brought you back?
I'm studying right now in FIU. So I was before in Orlando, so I came over here.
What are you studying?
Biomedical engineering. Like since I've been a little kid, that my passion has been to like just help people. So that's why I love what you're doing, man. It's like making a person's day better.
Well, that's why I'm here as well.
Bro, that's a blessing.
I'm just here to make somebody's day. I got denied 9 times before you guys showed up.
For real?
9 times.
Since when have you been here?
Probably like 20 minutes.
Damn.
Yeah, I asked about 9
times.
people before you guys showed up and got denied by all 9 of them.
Well, I deny you, but then I came here.
And then I used my charm, right? Used my charm and I was like,
That
yeah,
Greek charm, man.
you can trust me.
That's dope, man. That's dope. So tell me about your channel, bro.
Yeah, so I mean, I'm, for those of you guys that are new, that are watching and don't know me, I've been cutting my own hair for 12 years, since I was 13, 14 years old.
Wow.
I've been cutting my own hair.
What
And I teach people on my channel how to cut their own hair so they can save money and time by not having to go to the barber shop.
That's nice.
And so what I'm doing right now is kind of just like a new series on my channel where I go around giving strangers free haircuts.
I have a friend. His name is called Christian. Shout out to Christian. Bro, he has this ability to just, bro, talk to anyone. Like we're in the
He's
elevator.
super extroverted.
Bro, he talks to everyone. If he could talk to a rock, he would do it, bro. It's like, it's crazy, man. And it's like, it's impressive because he makes full conversation with the people. He gets them really involved in the conversation. It's like, do you know how to speak Greek?
No. So the thing is with me, I'm half Greek, half Portuguese.
Wow.
So
I like that, bro. That's
okay.
crazy.
Yeah, so I mean, my parents didn't teach me Greek or Portuguese. So every time I go to Greece, I try to learn a little bit and pick up the language. So I can probably pick up about 20% of Greek. Like I know more Spanish than I know Greek. Put it that way.
Okay, I get you.
So,
Miami has taught you a lot of Spanish, yeah?
right. Miami's taught me a lot of Spanish.
Yeah.
Cuban Spanish.
Yeah. Sergebola. One thing I hate about just United States in general
What is it?
is like the drinking age over here. It's 21.
In Puerto Rico, what is it?
18, bro.
18?
Yeah.
You know, it's funny that you say that because pretty much everywhere else in the world, the drinking age is like between 16 and 18.
Yeah.
Like in Greece and Portugal, it's like 18. Like it's not really a big deal.
Exactly.
Because over there, you know what I think it is?
What?
The culture
Exactly.
allows for, no, well, here's the thing. The culture allows, like let's say it's Portugal, for example. In Portugal, it's very laid back. People, they work, but it's not like crazy hectic like it is here in America. So they don't need that massive break.
Exactly,
At the end of the day, they're like, crap,
Every
I
day
feel
I'll
stressed
be
out,
here,
I'm pissed, I need a drink now. And then they abuse it. In America, they abuse it. In Portugal and Europe and other places in the world, they don't abuse it.
Exactly.
Because they're not stressed out as much.
Until we party.
I wouldn't think.
Until we party.
Yeah, well, if it's a party, it's different.
Yes.
But on a normal basis, that's where they get you. So right now, because you're not 21, you're struggling?
Bro, I can't get into anywhere, bro. No clubs, no nothing.
Yeah.
And it's just, bro, I just want to meet people and dance. I don't even want to drink. I barely drink, but
You like to dance a lot?
I mean, yeah, bro. I'm Latino. I got that sazon. But yeah, bro, YouTube gets you, man. You start watching YouTube and like you start with getting a stranger getting a haircut, and then you end up to how to talk to a giraffe or something.
So the last guy I interviewed, he said competition is one of the big reasons why we can't, be nice with each other and communicate and help each other out to succeed as one unit. Competition is one of the biggest things because of capitalism. You have to be competitive to beat other people out. So he kind of said that people nowadays are just kind of using one another. Instead of using somebody to level up to get to the next level, they find somebody else, use them to level up to the next level. And that's why we can't have this community, because we're not doing it together, we're doing it individually.
That's right, man. I never thought of it that way, but I think you're right, yeah. People should realize that, bro, it's impossible, literally impossible to have success alone.
Right.
Completely alone.
I agree.
You gotta work with other people and help them so they can help you and help each other. It's just, if you go your separate ways, just at least know that you helped each other, you did a good thing. Let's say that God greets you when you're dead, and he asks you, what did you do in your life? You start ranting and saying, oh, I did this, I did that. Having a fun life, bro. That's all I want to do. If I didn't do that, then I'll regret it. That's my only regret.
So that's your goal in life, is to have the best life and the happiest life.
Exactly, man. Be happy. That's the point of life. This is kind of deep. The point of life is just love. Have love and passion for whatever you do. Even just by just walking to your classroom, have love and passion just doing that.
All right, brother. Let me know what you think. Take your hand out.
Wow, man. This is
Is this the look or what?
Yeah, this is the look. Yeah. Wow, man. No, I love it, bro. I always go to a barber in Puerto Rico, a specific barber.
Yeah.
Because he always cuts me right, and you did it perfectly. This is the first time. Damn, bro.
It's good.
Wow.
Yeah.
No, I love it, man. Thank you.
Yes, sir. It's been a pleasure. But you guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you did like this video, make sure you leave a like and share this video with a friend. Also, we are super close to hitting 100,000 subscribers, so definitely click on the subscribe button down below if you like today's video or you're interested in learning how to cut your own hair. And let me know in the comments down below what your favorite part of today's video was, and also check out the links in the description as well. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you all next time. Peace.